Hello, welcome back to Growth English Channel.
Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here.
I'm Jannie.
And I'm David. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
Today we have a very exciting topic. We're going to learn how to talk about your plans for 2026.
Yes, 2026 is coming very soon. It's only a few days away, so it's the perfect time to talk about this.
This is such a useful topic because we all have dreams, goals, and plans for the new year, right?
Absolutely. And in English, there are many different ways to talk about your future plans. Some are formal, some are casual, and some are for definite plans.
So today, we will show you exactly how to express your 2026 plans like a native speaker.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. It really helps us a lot.
And don't forget, at the end of this video, we have a very special question for you, so make sure you watch until the end.
Okay, are you ready? Let's get started.
So, David, I have a question for you.
Sure, what is it?
2026 is almost here. Do you have any plans for the new year?
That's a good question. Yes, I do have some plans. I want to make 2026 a great year.
Ooh, that sounds exciting. Tell me more. What are you planning to do?
Well, first, I'm going to learn a new skill. I want to learn how to play the guitar.
The guitar? Wow, that's amazing. I didn't know you were interested in music.
Yes, I've always wanted to play an instrument, but I never had the time. So in 2026, I'm finally going to do it.
That's a great plan. Learning something new is always beneficial. How are you going to learn? Will you take classes?
I'm planning to take online classes. There are many good guitar courses on YouTube and other websites. I'm going to practice every day for at least 30 minutes.
Every day? That's dedication. I'm impressed.
Well, that's the plan. We'll see if I actually do it.
I believe in you, David. Okay, what else? Do you have any other plans for 2026?
Yes, I also want to travel more. I'm hoping to visit at least 3 new countries next year.
3 countries? Where do you want to go?
I'm thinking about Japan, maybe Spain, and possibly New Zealand, but nothing is confirmed yet.
Those are wonderful choices. Japan is beautiful. I went there 2 years ago.
Really? You have to tell me about it sometime. What about you, Jannie? What are your plans for 2026?
Oh, I have quite a few plans. First, I'm going to focus on my health.
Health? What do you mean exactly?
Well, I want to exercise more regularly. Right now, I only exercise once or twice a week, but in 2026, I'm going to the gym at least 4 times a week.
4 times a week? That's a big goal.
I know, but I'm determined. I'm also planning to eat healthier, less fast food, more home-cooked meals.
That's a great plan. Healthy body, healthy mind.
Exactly. And there's more. I'm planning to read more books in 2026.
How many books are you planning to read?
I'm going to try to read at least 24 books. That's 2 books every month.
2 books a month. That's impressive. What kind of books do you like?
I love fiction novels, especially mystery and adventure stories, but I also want to read some self-improvement books.
Self-improvement books are very popular right now. Do you have any specific titles in mind?
Not yet, but I'm going to make a list. I'm also thinking about joining a book club to stay motivated.
That's a smart idea. A book club will help you stay on track.
I hope so. Oh, and one more thing. I'm going to volunteer more.
Volunteer where?
I'm planning to volunteer at the local animal shelter. I love animals, and I want to help dogs and cats who need homes.
That's so kind, Jannie. How often are you planning to volunteer?
Maybe twice a month on weekends. I'm going to check their schedule and sign up soon.
That sounds like a busy but fulfilling year.
Yes, I'm really excited about 2026. What about our viewers? I'm sure they have amazing plans too.
You know, Jannie, while we were talking about our plans, we used many different expressions.
That's right. We didn't just say, I will do this or I want to do that, we used several different ways to express our future plans.
Exactly. So let's take a moment to teach our viewers about these different ways.
Great idea. Let's help everyone understand when and how to use each expression.
Okay, the first way we talked about plans was using going to. Do you remember?
Yes, I said, I'm going to focus on my health, and I'm going to go to the gym 4 times a week.
Perfect examples. Going to is used when you have a definite plan or intention. It's something you've already decided.
So if I've already made up my mind, I use going to. For example, I'm going to start exercising in January. This means I've decided and it's definite.
Exactly right. I also used going to when I said I'm going to learn guitar and I'm going to practice every day. These are my definite intentions.
Now, the second way is planning to. I used this when I said, I'm planning to read more books and I'm planning to volunteer.
Yes, planning to is a little bit different. It means you have a plan, but maybe it's not 100% certain yet. You're thinking about it and preparing, right?
It's like you have the idea and the plan, but you still need to work out some details.
Exactly. For example, I said, I'm planning to take online classes. I know I want to do it, but I haven't signed up yet.
That's a perfect explanation. So going to is more definite, and planning to is when you're still organizing the details.
There's also another expression we used, hoping to or want to. Do you remember?
Oh yes, you said, I'm hoping to visit 3 countries and I want to travel more.
Exactly. Hoping to and want to are for things we desire or wish for, but they're not as certain as plans.
So it's more like a dream or a wish, something you would like to happen.
Yes, exactly. When I say, I'm hoping to visit Japan, it means I really want to go, but I'm not sure if it will happen. Maybe I need to save money first, or maybe I need to check my work schedule.
That makes sense. So we have 3 levels. Number 1, going to, a definite plan already decided. Number 2, planning to, a plan in progress, still organizing. Number 3, hoping to or want to, a dream or wish, not certain.
Perfect summary, Jannie. Let's give more examples for our viewers.
Okay, now let's practice with different situations. David, imagine someone asks you about your career plans for 2026.
Good example. Okay, for my career, I'm going to ask my boss for a promotion. I've been working hard and I think I deserve it.
That's using going to, so you're definitely going to ask.
Yes, I've decided. I'm going to do it in January. But I'm also planning to take a professional course to improve my skills.
So you haven't started the course yet.
No, I'm planning to research different courses first and then choose the best one.
Perfect. And do you have any career dreams?
Well, I'm hoping to start my own small business someday, maybe in late 2026 or 2027. It's something I really want to do.
See, that's a great example of using all 3 expressions. Now let's try another situation. David, ask me about my personal life plans.
Okay. Jannie, do you have any personal plans for 2026? Maybe about friends, family, or hobbies?
Yes, I'm going to spend more quality time with my family. We're all very busy, so I've decided to have dinner with them at least twice a month.
That's lovely. That's a definite plan using going to.
Yes, I'm also planning to learn how to cook better. Right now, I can only make very simple dishes, but I want to learn some proper recipes.
Are you going to take cooking classes?
I'm thinking about it. Maybe I'll watch online tutorials first. And I'm hoping to make a delicious cake for my mom's birthday in March.
A cake? That's ambitious. I'm sure it will be great.
I hope so. You know, David, we should also talk about how to ask other people about their plans.
Oh, good point. Yes, let's teach our viewers how to ask questions about future plans. So there are several ways to ask someone about their plans. The most common way is, what are your plans for 2026?
Yes, that's very straightforward and natural. You can also ask, do you have any plans for the new year?
Or you can be more specific. For example, are you planning to do anything special in 2026?
That's good. You can also ask about specific areas, like, Do you have any travel plans, or are you planning to learn anything new?
Exactly. Let's practice with some questions and answers. Jenny, I'll ask you and you respond. Ready?
Ready.
Jenny, are you planning to make any changes in your life in 2026?
Yes, I am. I'm going to be more organized. I'm planning to use a planner to track my goals and activities.
That's a great answer. My turn. Ask me a question.
Okay. David, do you have any travel plans for 2026?
Actually, yes. I'm hoping to take a 2-week vacation in the summer. I'm thinking about going to Italy or Greece. I'm still deciding.
Wonderful. See how natural that sounds? Let's try a few more. David, what are you hoping to achieve in 2026?
I'm hoping to become healthier and happier. I want to balance my work and personal life better. Oh, and I'm planning to wake up earlier every day.
Earlier? Really?
Yes, I'm going to try to wake up at 6 a.m. instead of 8 a.m. I want to have more time in the morning.
That's going to be difficult for you. You love sleeping.
I know, but I'm determined. I think if I wake up early, I'll be more productive.
Well, good luck with that. Okay, viewers, now it's your turn to think about your answers to these questions. We'll ask you at the end.
Okay, Jannie, now we need to talk about something very important.
What's that?
We need to talk about common mistakes students make when talking about future plans.
Oh, yes, this is very important. Many students get confused and make errors.
Exactly. So let's help everyone avoid these mistakes. The first common mistake is using will when they should use going to.
Can you explain?
Sure, some students say, I will go to the gym tomorrow, when they should say, I'm going to go to the gym tomorrow.
What's the difference?
Will is for decisions you make at the moment of speaking, or for predictions about the future, but going to is for plans you've already made.
So, if I decided yesterday that I will go to the gym tomorrow, I should say, I'm going to go to the gym tomorrow.
Exactly. But if someone asks me right now, do you want to have lunch? And I decide at that moment, I can say, sure, I will have lunch with you.
Ah, I see. So, will is for spontaneous decisions.
Yes, or for predictions about the future, like, I think it will rain tomorrow, or I think 2026 will be a great year.
That's very clear. What's another common mistake?
Another mistake is forgetting to use to after planning, hoping, or want.
Oh, yes, I've heard this mistake before.
Some students say, I'm planning learn guitar. That's wrong. The correct way is I'm planning to learn guitar.
Or, I want visit Japan. Wrong. It should be, I want to visit Japan.
Exactly. That small word to is very important.
What about word order? Do students make mistakes there?
Sometimes yes. Remember the structure is subject plus am, is, or are, plus going to, planning to, hoping to, plus base verb.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Wrong is I to go am gym. Correct is I am going to go to the gym.
That first one sounds very wrong.
I know, but some students get confused, especially beginners.
Any other mistakes?
Yes, sometimes students use the wrong verb form after going to or planning to.
Like saying, I'm going to studying instead of I'm going to study.
Exactly. After going to, planning to, or hoping to, we always use the base form of the verb.
Great explanation. I hope our viewers are taking notes. Jannie, I think we should also teach some useful vocabulary related to plans and goals.
That's a great idea. Let's give them some extra words they can use.
The first word is resolution. Do you know this word?
Yes, a resolution is a firm decision to do something, especially at the start of a new year.
Exactly. For example, my New Year's resolution is to exercise more.
Another useful word is goal. A goal is something you want to achieve.
We also have the word aim. It's similar to goal.
And intend is a more formal word, meaning you plan to do something.
Let's also teach some adjectives. If your plan is very serious, you can say, I'm determined to.
And if you're not 100% sure, you can say, I'm considering.
Another useful phrase is I'm looking forward to, which means you're excited about the future.
Remember, after looking forward to, we use the ing form.
Now, let's show a complete natural conversation about 2026 plans.
Great idea. Let's role play. So, Jannie, do you have any plans for 2026?
Yes, I'm going to travel more and I'm hoping to learn a new language.
What language are you planning to learn?
I'm planning to learn Spanish. I want to visit Spain and Mexico.
That sounds amazing. I'm hoping to start a new business in 2026.
Really? What kind of business?
I'm planning to open an online store selling handmade jewelry. I'm determined to make it happen.
Wow, that's ambitious. Good luck with that. And are you hoping to make any changes in your personal life?
Yes, I'm hoping to become more patient and listen more to other people.
That's a wonderful goal. I think 2026 will be a great year for both of us.
Me too. I'm looking forward to seeing what the future brings.
And that, everyone, is how you have a natural conversation about your future plans.
Wow, we covered a lot today.
Let's quickly recap.
We learned 3 main ways to talk about future plans: going to, planning to, and hoping to or want to.
We also learned how to ask questions, avoid common mistakes, and use useful vocabulary.
And now it's time for our favorite part, the question of the day.
Today's question is, what is one plan or goal you have for 2026?
Write your answer in the comments using the phrases we learned today.
For example, I'm going to, I'm planning to, or I'm hoping to.
We read every comment and we love hearing about your goals.
And if you watched until the end, type hello in the comments.
Yes, let's see who made it to the end.
Before we finish, let's talk about what's coming next on Growth English channel.
Next time, we're going to teach you how to talk about your hobbies and interests in English.
So make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon.
And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with someone learning English.
Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice regularly.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have an amazing 2026 full of success and confidence in English.
From all of us here at Growth English Channel, keep learning, keep practicing, and see you next time.
Goodbye.